I'm telling y'all right now, if this doesn't work, the next thing going in this car, it's gonna be a Gen 2 Coyote and a 6R80. Let's get into it. Yeah, that's right. We're doing it to it. Guys, if you didn't catch the video a while back, we've got a converter, shift kit, and diff for Pop's car. And I swear to God, I'm hoping this is gonna fix it. All right, boys, got Pop's car back together, but that's not actually the point of this video. Why didn't I film the converter and shift kit? Because there's about 100 million of those videos all over YouTube. So it's kind of pointless, and I wanted to get it knocked out because we got a whole hell of a lot more going on. Speaking of going on, we got something inside you got to see. Let's get in there and check it out. Guys, before we get inside, do not forget the LMR SVE wheel and Nitto tire kit giveaway is live right now. You've got to get in there. Ends June 14th, so you don't have a lot of time. Grab anything in the store, t-shirts, we got the 5-0 hats, got the brand new swag to pimp out your shop or garage. 9 different styles of those. They're freaking awesome. So hit up thefoxcast.com/shop, grab your merch. Every $5 spent gets you 1 entry. Let's check this out. All right, boys, as you know, Alex's car has also been gone for a solid 8 months, but guess what? It's back. And let me tell you, it looks amazing. So after 8 long months of waiting, Kevin came to the rescue again, like you do with Frostbite, and knocked it out of the park. We'll start right up here in the engine bay. Guys, just again, we just picked it up from paint today, so yes, there's dust and dirt and trash and all that, so it's fine, we'll get it. But I mean, he absolutely knocked it out of the park on the engine bay. Upper core support all shaved, wiper motor is shaved, wiper is shaved, antenna is shaved. It's got a little water spots on it because we had a crazy ass flash flood just hit us. But man, sometimes, guys, and I did consider it, I still wish I'd have painted my car black, but yeah, it looks amazing. She's slick. There's a body side moldings there. Man, it looks good. Huge shout out to Kevin again. Car looks amazing. Yeah, see, no antenna. It's those little touches, y'all, that just kind of smooth it out. Car looks amazing. All right, boys, so if you've forgotten, because it's been so freaking long, this is what's going in Alex's car. This is a Gen 2 Mustang engine and 6R80. Got the Pro Charger, gotta have the Pro Charger. It's got the Holley intake, Cook's headers, Maximum Motorsport suspension. This thing is going to freaking rip. It's already on the K-member, bolted down, ready to go. So essentially, once he's got everything painted and polished, we can sit the engine down on it. But I'm telling you, this Pro Charger is gonna make all the right noises. So yeah, guys, freaking projects everywhere. We're going a mile a minute. We got another one we gotta blow back together. It's it was basically like Frostbite was. No interior, well, mine too. Had to gut everything. So the long process of putting it back together begins now. It's all right though. We got it. One last note, Ford Takeover. We're just about 3 weeks out from Ford Takeover. All of the info you can either get on thefoxcast.com, click on the Ford Takeover tab, or if you go on Facebook and search Ford Takeover 2024, all the information is on the discussion tabs, whether it's times, addresses, prices, all that good stuff. Can't wait to see everybody at Ford Takeover. It's gonna be a blast. I think that's it for today. So if you did enjoy this, big thumbs up, make sure you smash that subscribe button. Catch you guys on the next one.